In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently monitor social media activity using Hootsuite's stream feature. This is a fantastic way to keep track of the hashtags or keywords that are most important to you or your brand. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into Hootsuite, and for this tutorial, we'll be using the Chrome browser. So go ahead and open up Chrome, and in the address bar, type in the URL for Hootsuite and hit enter. If you haven't already done so, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to the Hootsuite dashboard, which is your main hub for all things social media management. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Streams tab within your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the capabilities for monitoring social media activity. To add a new stream, look for the Add Stream button. It's usually located somewhere towards the top of the Streams section. Click on that button to proceed. Once you click Add Stream, a list of your connected social networks will appear. This includes platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and others you may have linked to your Hootsuite account. Now choose the social network where you want to monitor activity. For instance, if you're interested in tracking certain trends on Twitter, select Twitter from the list. The platform you choose will determine the type of content that is streamed to your dashboard. After selecting your social network, you'll be prompted to choose the type of stream you want to add. Here, you have options like hashtag or keyword. If you're monitoring specific trends or conversations, the hashtag option is a great choice. Alternatively, if you're looking at more general topics or want to track mentions of a particular word or phrase, go for the keyword option. Now it's time to enter the hashtag or keyword you want to track. Make sure it's relevant to your interests or objectives. For hashtags, remember to include the hash symbol at the beginning. Enter your selection into the field provided, and once you're satisfied, you can proceed to the next step. Now that your stream is set up, it's time to monitor the post and engagement surrounding that hashtag or keyword in real time. This stream will update automatically and show you the latest posts as they come in. You can engage with these posts directly from the Hootsuite dashboard, making it easier to interact and respond as needed. And there you have it, a streamlined way to track and engage with social media content using Hootsuite. With this tool, you'll have an edge in staying informed and active across your favorite platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy